Welcome to Jackie Smith's Metal Detecting channel on YouTube.
Good morning. It's a bit windy and the rain's meant to pass by 1 o'clock. It's about 9:30 now. See what we can find. New field. First find is a crusty coin. A bit windy, sorry. Just found a big massive buckle. Look at this big tree. Lol's just been in there. It's Lol's house. Look at the cobweb. That tree is huge. Just had a George III penny by that big tree. It's very windy, sorry about that. I'm filming much, but I just found that. It's like a buckle. Dead fancy. It's buckle day for me. Right, I didn't film very much. In the morning it was heavy rain, and then in the afternoon it was really windy. So I got iron ring, some big blobs of lead, some buttons, a huge shoe buckle. Look at the pattern on that. It's a bit bent on this side, mind. It's huge. That pin possibly came from this buckle, so I had to pick it up. You can see where the pin was there and there. So two big nice buckles for the collection. I had a 2p, I don't know what that is, and I think those two are George III. They're not cartwheels, so I'm assuming they're around 1806. So yep, that was it. Anybody interested in a CCT silver slide? Beautiful. Pop on over to this channel. I'm just going to show you. Every year I always put aside like how many silvers I've found for the year and anything like Roman or anything like that. So I'll just quickly show. So here we go. All them little crusty silvers. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 silver coins. One, that's just one hammered, half a crown, one hammered, and one silver Roman, 2 bronze Romans, a Roman brooch, and whatever Roman that is. So I've done well for Romans this year. Not too good on the silver or the hammers, but hey ho, it's October. Still got time to go. So on that note, hope everyone's well. There's my stickers. Coming on nicely. Hope you're all well. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, subscribing, just being there. And thanks very much. So bye for now. Bye everybody, bye.